You said that you're from tech support, correct?
Oh yeah, exactly. This is technical support. How may I help you?
Okay, can you tell me your ID number?
Oh yes, my ID number is 122-86756.
Okay, I have an LG G Stylo, and I record, I do video recordings, and it says that can't play video.
Alright, so I just want to make sure that I understand you correct, mister, okay? Because I'm having trouble hearing you on my end because the line is cutting in and out. So you're not able to play a video on your phone, is that right?
That's correct. I would record a video. It says, can I play video unsupported file type? So it's playing the wrong file.
Okay, unsupported file. Let me check what's causing the problem here. Are you calling for the mobile number that ends in 5510?
No, it's not the number I'm calling about. I'm calling about the phone. It's not the number. The number's working fine, but the phone's not working fine. It's not the number, it's the phone.
Oh, I understand. I just want to make sure that I have the right account here just to check everything is all good with your account. That's why I verified your number.
Again, it's not the account. It's the phone we're talking about. Not the account, but the phone. The account is fine. I have no problems with the account. The account is fine. No problem with the account.
Is it okay if you will give me full access on your account so that I could also check your phone make and model?
Well, I told you the phone make and model. Are you not listening?
Okay.
LG G Stylo.
Sure. LG
G
Stylo, is that right?
That's correct. LG G Stylo.
LG G Stylo. Okay, got it. And may I know what is the application that you are using to download a video?
No, I said I would record a video, and it does not play. I would record.
Okay, so to record a video, are you using the camera that came up with the phone or a third-party camera?
I'm using the pre-installed camera that came with the phone.
Alright, thank you. I'm checking if there is any ongoing issues with this phone while you're getting that message that you're not able to play the video because it's unsupported file. Is it happening with all the videos that you're trying to play on your phone?
No, that's only certain videos.
I'm sorry?
Only certain videos.
Only certain videos.
That's correct.
Alright, I'm still checking here if there is any ongoing issues with this kind of phone, okay? Because there are instances that the videos that are saved on your SD card. Do you have a memory card on the phone?
No memory card.
No memory card, so just using the default memory for your phone.
That's correct.
Alright, because when I tried to research about this issue on supported files, the video cannot be played. This usually caused by the SD card or memory card that's not working properly on the phone. But since you've mentioned that you do not have an SD card or memory card on your device, I need to check something that may cause the problem here, okay? So please stay on the line with me.
So you're saying that sometimes the SD card could be corrupted maybe or something?
Exactly. That's exactly when I try to research here. here what's causing the problem for some phones that are not able to play a video and getting that error unsupported file. It's with the SD card that's being corrupted or it's not working properly, and there will be also a possibility that the video will be suddenly deleted on the phone.
That doesn't make sense to me. That doesn't make sense.
Yes, I understand, especially you've mentioned that the phone does not have any SD card.
Right, that doesn't make sense. Why would an SD card delete videos on the phone? That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all.
If you have access to the internet, you can check that information. You can try to search that one. I've actually searched it here, and that's the reason that's why sometimes unsupported files are not play on the phone, because the videos are being saved on the SD card. But if your phone does not have an SD card and still does the same thing, then we need to check some settings on your device.
Do you believe everything that's on the internet?
If that is a recorded video that you capture on your camera, that will not use internet connection, because that will just on your gallery or on your photos, right?
Do you believe everything that's on the internet?
This does not something to do with your internet connection, especially you're just telling me that you're just recording the video using your camera. That will not use up any internet connection.
Do you believe everything that you read on the internet?
If you are using internet connection on your phone and you are downloading videos, then that may cause also by the application or the video that you are trying to download.
Do you speak English?
I'm sorry?
Do you speak English?
Absolutely.
Okay, because I keep asking you a question and you're not answering my question.
I'm actually answering it. If you're not satisfied with my answer, kindly repeat the question so that I can search other information here.
Okay, what's the question I asked you?
I'm sorry, I did not hear that.
Oh, okay, 'cause I asked you the question several times. Let me ask you the question again. You said according to the internet, if you use an SD card, the videos will not play. And sometimes the video would disappear. So I told you, no, I don't believe things like that. That doesn't make sense. And you said it's online.
So you've actually misunderstood it.
Okay, so what did you say then?
You've misunderstood it.
Okay, what did you say?
Okay, so what I'm telling earlier, so if the SD card that you're using on your phone is damaged or it's corrupted, that will may be the reason why you're not able to play the videos that are saved on your phone.
Right.
Alright? That is exactly the information that it shows on the internet or on the website for Android users. Since we'll not be able to get into your account here, so I will base on the things that we have, which is a website trusted. A trusted website that we have.
Alright, so I ask you, do you believe everything that you read on the internet?
Yes, especially if the website, if the website is trusted, then definitely.
Okay, so I put on the website that I'm being attacked by corrupted 30 cops. Do you believe that?
Oh well, that still depends.
Okay. So,
okay.
All right, so that depends.
Because if that thing that you will be putting is not on the trusted website, then they will still need to have it checked and verified, then that will not gonna work. So these things that I'll be providing you are these things that the reason why you're not able to play those videos on your phone. So I just answering your question. So that may be the possible reason why your videos are not playing on the device. But we can still do some troubleshooting. We can do a test and it save those things on your phone memory and check if it will still doing the same thing. If it's the phone, then we can do a troubleshooting with the phone.
All right, because that doesn't make sense that all SD cards would be no good. If that was the case, SD cards would not be sold. But that doesn't seem to be the case, though.
You've mentioned that your phone does not have any SD card or memory card, so we can already isolate the issue that it is not your SD card. This is more something to do with the phone, right? You've mentioned that you do not have an SD card on your device. I trust you.
I told you, if that was the case with the SD cards would not be sold if they're corrupted. Like, nobody would buy it. I wouldn't buy it.
Then that is,
nobody else wouldn't buy
that
it.
is exactly,
They would go out of business.
that is a possible reason.
But I'm saying that doesn't make sense, though. That doesn't make sense because they would go out of business.
Okay, I do understand that.
Okay.
So, but if what I'm just telling, if the device has a working SD card, then that will not be a problem. But if the SD card is corrupted or defective, that may cause the issue to persist.
Right, but that doesn't make
sense. But if you bought
sense.
a working SD card, that will not be a problem.
That doesn't make sense because they would go out of business. That doesn't make sense.
I understand. So,
All right, okay. I don't know if you understand because that doesn't make sense. That's why I said, do you believe everything that you read on the internet? Because that doesn't make sense. They would go out of business.
Well, that's why we are here. We're doing troubleshooting, right? So we are really identifying what's causing the problem.
Okay, that sounds good. That sounds good.
So I'm just telling you, I'm just telling you the possible reason why you're getting that message cannot play video unsupported file. So one reason that we found out here that may cause the problem is because of the SD card.
Right,
but
and I
if your
told
phone
you.
does not have an SD card,
But I told you that.
that cannot.
I told you that doesn't make sense because they would go out of business. Like Ford, Chrysler, and GM, they've been crying to the president that nobody wanted to buy their cars because their cars were garbage. You see, so and that happens to the SD card. Nobody would buy the SD card because the cards are garbage. And they would go out of business, just like Ford, Chrysler, and GM been crying to the president because nobody wanted to buy their vehicles. So like if the SD cards are corrupted, nobody would buy them. So that can't be the problem. That can't. So that doesn't make sense. That can't be the problem.
Okay. I do getting your point there, but I'm not telling you that all SD cards are garbage because sometimes SD cards are being garbage if they are not used correctly on the phone.
Okay. Alright, cause like I know some things don't make sense. That's right.
Okay, if that's what you think, I do respect that, so we can proceed doing the troubleshooting.
Okay, in fact, let me tell you what does happen. Like the Wi-Fi comes on by itself, the Bluetooth will come on by itself, and the sync will come on by itself, and my pictures start disappearing. That's what usually happens.
So your phones do have a lot of problems.
Right, but it's not only one phone, it's several different phones that I bought. And I seen
you have different phones and they are not all working properly. Oh no.
Right, which means that something's going on there. There's something, like, something is not right there. Right, because I called T-Mobile.
Oh yeah, that's so sad.
Right, because I called you guys several times and I asked the question, does the Bluetooth supposed to come on by itself? And you guys keep telling me no. It doesn't supposed to come on by itself.
Oh. Do you still have that Bluetooth phone or the other phone that has experiencing problem with the Bluetooth?
Right, that's every phone that I buy. Like every phone that I buy.
Oh, every phone that you got.
Right.
So they are all LG phones.
Every phone that I buy.
So next time you.
It has that problem. So like it doesn't matter which phone from which company. Like every time I buy a phone, the Wi-Fi comes on by itself, sync and Bluetooth. And then that's when my picture start disappearing. Like, it doesn't disappear before that. It only disappears after that comes on.
I see. So here's what we'll be going to focus, okay? We will be focusing on the phone that you are using right now, so you'll be able to use the service that you have with T-Mobile. So the phone that's having problem is the LG G3, right? I'm so sorry. It's actually the LG Stylo.
LG G Stylo, right?
Okay, so is that the phone that you're using right now for calling us?
No.
Okay. If in case the line is disconnected, do you have an alternate line that I can call back?
Why would the line be disconnected? Are you saying that T-Mobile
for
service is no
example,
good?
there's something...
Are you saying that T-Mobile service is
no,
no
it's
good?
not like...
Oh.
Oh,
Alright.
it's not that. I'm not
Okay.
telling you that. So
Okay,
I'm
so it
just
shouldn't be disconnected then.
if in case.
It should not be
If in
disconnected.
case.
No, it should not be disconnected
Okay,
then.
so... Oh, well, that's fine if you do not want to provide your number. So that's fine with me, okay? So that's totally fine with me.
Oh, it shouldn't be disconnected. Now let's just
No,
go
it
out
will
the
not.
service.
So let's start checking the phone that you have, okay?
Sure.
So on your LG G Stylo phone, please turn off the device.
Okay.
Is the phone turned off?
I'm turning it off right now.
Okay, so let me know once the device is turned off, okay?
Okay, I'm turning it off right now. It's turned off.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem.
And is that LG G Stylo phone that you have is from a T-Mobile device or non-T-Mobile?
No, it's T-Mobile.
Okay, thank you. You may now turn back on the phone for me.
Sure, okay. I'm turning it back on now. Okay, came back up.
Alright, thank you. Kindly dial this number, *#06#.
Hold on. Star pound. Wait.
06 pounds.
Star pound 06 pound. And what's that
Yes,
for?
that's right.
Okay, what's that for?
And it will show IMEI, *#06 pound.
Okay. And what do you need the IMI number for?
Yes, so we can check here if the device is registered on our system, so we can check the software version of the phone. If you have the latest software version, may I have the IMEI, please?
Well, like, alright, just let me think about this for a minute. When you buy the phone from T-Mobile, you record video, you can play video, but you want to see if I have the latest software update for what reason now?
Okay, so we need to check if the phone that you got is purchased from T-Mobile, so we can check if you have the latest software version for the phone to make sure that this is not caused by software. That's why you're not able to play video on your phone.
Okay, now, listen to yourself speak now. Listen to yourself speak. You're saying that
Go
there might
ahead.
be the software that's on the phone that's causing the video not to play. Listen to yourself speak.
Exactly. You do not want to provide me any information,
Listen.
right? So I will not have full access on your account. That's why I'm asking the question to you right now.
Listen to yourself speak now. Okay, so
Go ahead.
you heard the question that you asked. Now, does it make sense that I could play some videos and the other videos I cannot play? So that question doesn't make sense. That's a question that
that's
doesn't make
actually
sense.
making sense. That's actually making sense because it's not working properly, right? There are videos that you cannot play and there are videos that you can play. So we really need to identify what's causing this problem. So your phone does not have the SD card, so we can isolate the issue that it is not the SD card. So we're looking now on the phone itself because this thing that you are doing, you've mentioned that this is not something on your account. That's why you did not provide me any your information, right? So I'm just asking the information that I need so that I can help you fix the problem. So I hope you understand.
Okay, so what's the latest update that you have for the software for the LG G Stylo?
I need to make sure that I have the right phone make and model, so I'm getting that IMEI number for you.
Wait a minute, that's not the question. What's the latest software? It applies to all phones. It doesn't apply just to one phone. The software applies to all phones. Is that not correct?
It's not correct because
Oh, it
we
applies to
have
one
a
phone?
different software.
Okay, for different phones?
We want to make sure that the software that you got is a T-Mobile legal software. So that's why I need to check it yours on your phone. What do you have? So I hope you understand, sir.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that all softwares that you have is not for all phones? You're saying that the software that T-Mobile has is for different phones. Is that correct?
We have the same software for all the same device. So we need to make sure that the software that you got is the same software that we have here with T-Mobile, and it's the one that is updated.
Okay, so you're saying that all software that T-Mobile has applies to all phones. That would be Samsung, LG.
No.
Oh no?
It depends on the make and model of the phone.
So it depends on the make and model. So it depends on the make and model of the phone. All right. So for
Exactly.
okay, so for all LG G Stylo phones, there's one type of software, and for like Samsung phone, there's another type of software.
Exactly. So we need to check if we have the one that is updated, and I need to check too if we have the correct make and model. So if you can ask please for the IMEI, just the information. I hope that you will cooperate with us so that we can help you.
Sure. Okay, what's the latest updated software that you have for the LG G Stylo?
Is it okay first if you will provide me your IMEI, sir?
You don't know what's the latest software that you have for the LG G Stylo. You have no idea.
I will be checking it here. I do have the idea, so I just want to make sure first that I will be providing you the information. So if you could also please provide us the correct information on your phone. Because if you will not be cooperating with us, we will not be able to have your issue fixed.
Okay. So tell me, what's the latest software that you have for the LG G Stylo phone? What's the latest?
All right. So let me search that for you, okay? So please stay on the line with me so that I'll be able to provide you the correct information. And I hope too with this you will be able to communicate.
Wait. You said that you need the IMEI number to make sure I have the latest
Exactly.
software update on my phone. So when I ask you
Yes,
what is the latest one that you have there on your screen, you said that you have to look it up. That doesn't make sense. Again,
Exactly.
these things don't make sense.
I do not want to provide you any false information. We do have a lot of phones here, and I cannot memorize all the software that we have for phones. I hope you understand.
Right, but you asked for the IMEI number for a specific reason to check the software
to
update.
Make sure that you have the phone make and model.
And I said, what is the software update that you have on your screen? You said that you have to look it up.
Is it okay? Is it okay if I'll just put you on hold for a minute or two?
But it seems to me that you want the IMEI number for another reason.
Oh no, No, I didn't. I actually need that for verification purposes, so we can have here the correct make and model of your phone, and if it's on our database.
Okay, so go ahead and look it up and get back to me.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So please stay on the line. You will hear a moment of silence on my end, okay? Thank you.
Sure. Things just doesn't make sense to me.
Oh, okay. I understand. That's fine. Hello?
I'm here. Go ahead.
Alright. So if I have here the correct phone make and model, if you mentioned to me LG G Stylo, the software version, the latest software version that we got is actually released last March 7, 2016, and it is the Android Marshmallow, which is the Android version 6.0.
Okay. You have Android version 6.0. I have Android version 5.1. That's what I'm at.
So that means that it's not the software version that you have. So it's not the latest software version that you have on your phone.
No, it's not the latest, but I do have the T-Mobile software version on the phone.
Alright, so if you want to update it, so you can also update it to check if that's the one that's causing the problem.
Well, again, I told you, I bought other phones in the past and I seem to have the same problem, so it can't be the software. That doesn't make sense. I bought other phones and I have the same problem on the other phones that I keep buying, so it can't be the software.
Okay.
Right, like it doesn't make sense.
I understand. So
something else has to be happening.
If you think that it is not the software, if you think that this is not the software, well, there is actually a possibility that the software. What I can do here, Sam, is I'll be getting a technical care from LG directly, so that they'll be able to help you with the phone that you are using. Since you've mentioned that it is the phone, okay? Just stay on the line with me. Let me just get assistance or help with LG to check what else that can cause the problem why you're having this issue that you cannot play videos sometimes on your device.
Wait a minute. Don't you supposed to diagnose the phone first before you go to LG? You haven't told me to do nothing.
We're actually doing a diagnostic test right now, but it is actually the software that's not updated on your device. So I advise you that this is a possibility that it is a software issue, but you're telling me that it is not the software. So it seems like that all the things that I'm asking you to do, you're not doing it. So we'll check other option, what else that can cause this problem with your phone.
So when T-Mobile sells a phone, the video doesn't work? The pictures don't work? Is that what you're saying?
Well, that will work. That will actually work. So we want to make sure that everything is all taken care of. So just stay on the line with me. I will still be with you on the line. Let's just help and ask help and assistance with our LG technical care representative. Okay, so this is actually their phone. They will be able to check everything on the phone itself.
So if T-Mobile sells the phone and the videos and the pictures work, so why is it that mine is not working? You're saying that...
Okay, so that thing that we will be looking.
You're saying that the
if you're
software...
not following all the things,
it's going to be...
If you're not trusting all the things that I'm telling you, so we need to check other reason why this is happening, okay? So we need to check with LG directly if there is any ongoing issue with the phone, why this is happening with your device, so that you can also report to them all this complaint that you have with this LG phone.
So, when you buy a T-Mobile phone, the T-Mobile phone works. It's only when the Bluetooth comes on, the Wi-Fi, and it's saying that's when the phone seems to have problems when it comes on by itself. So it can't be the software update. It has to do with the phone coming on by itself. So it can't be the software because, again, if there was a problem at T-Mobile, nobody would buy the phones. So it doesn't make sense that it's a software issue. Right.
Okay. If you think that is not making sense, I do respect that. So I do not argue with that. Okay. If you think that is not making sense, I do understand. Okay. So I'm still getting your point. So what I will be doing right now is we'll be getting into the bottom of this. So we will be getting an LG specialist directly so that they can check what's exactly causing this issue. Okay.
Wait a minute.
This is an LG phone. So stay on the line.
Wait a minute, just let me ask you a
Okay. So
question.
stay on the line with me.
Just let me ask you a question. Did you punch in?
Oh, yes.
Did you punch in unsupported file? And what did you get when you punched in unsupported file?
Oh yeah. So I already answered that question for me, but you're not you're not actually trusting me everything that I'm saying. So I will be getting another specialist that will tell that to you. So you'll be able to get this taken care of. Okay.
Wait a minute. Wait. That doesn't make sense again. So you're saying
Oh,
that
is it making
T-Mobile?
sense again?
You're saying that T-Mobile has only one solution for the unsupported file? Just only one solution?
Oh, well, I'm
And that's
actually
it?
providing you correct resolution for this. It's just that you're not trusting me. You're not it's telling me that
I'm
this is
trusting
not
you,
a software
but you're
issue.
saying that T-Mobile has only one solution for unsupported file. Is that correct? Just one solution.
Alright. Oh, for these unsupported files, sir, this is not something to do with your account, or this is not something to do
No,
with
that's
the
not my
network.
question.
You're right. That
That's
this
not
is
my
something
question.
to do with the phone
That
itself.
is not my question. Listen to my question, please. Are you saying that T-Mobile has only one solution for unsupported file? It's not a hard question.
Yes.
It's not a hard question.
Yes.
It's not hard.
Then the answer to my question and the answer to your question, sir, is yes.
So,
Okay, because
One solution,
yes,
okay.
it is something to do with the software of the phone.
okay, so what's your ID number again?
It's 122-86756.
Okay. And what's your name again?
Sherry.
So you're saying that T-Mobile only has one solution for unsupported file. Okay. Now, I believe T-Mobile has more than one solution, but you're saying that T-Mobile only has one solution. Okay.
That's actually one of the I'm not telling you that's the solution. That's one of the possible reason why you're not able to play unsupported files if you do not have an SD card on the phone.
Okay, what's the other reason?
Okay.
Okay, what's the other reason?
Okay. Other reason, if you do not have the SD card on your phone.
You said that. What's the
Okay.
other reason?
Other reason, other reason, if you have a lot of memory on your device, which your memory is full, wherein you're not able to play any videos on your phone.
Your memory is full and you're not able to play video on the phone.
Exactly.
Okay, again, that doesn't make sense. If that happens to all the phones, nobody would buy a phone. That doesn't make sense again. Because the phone is defective. You understand?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, if you think that the phone is defective, if you will give me an access to your account and you already did everything on the phone and we were proven that the phone is defective, we can check the warranty of the device so we can process a replacement for the phone.
Right, but all phones would be defective. According to you, when the memory is full on the phone will not work properly, which means that all phones are defective, and nobody would buy a phone. So again, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense.
Yes.
That doesn't make sense.
That's why they are offering. That's why there are manufacturers are offering multiple type of phones. It depends on how you will be able to use it. Like they are offering 16 gigabytes phone, 32 gigabytes phone memory. So you have an option, and it depends on how you use the phone. So that's why they created the phone so that you will be able to use it for communication. It depends on how you will use the phone. If you are more into gaming, then it will be better that you will purchase a high memory of phone, so you will not experience any issues with your device. And you can always manage the memory of the phone and how you will be able to use it.
But again, that doesn't make sense because all memories for all phones get full, and according to you, they're not going to work properly. And if all phones not going to work properly, then all phones are defective. So again, that to me that doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense because like nobody would buy a phone.
I do respect what you are thinking, but that's the way it is.
Right, but again, that doesn't make sense though. So,
Okay.
Right. But it doesn't make sense. Just like saying when a car,
if you think,
just like saying when you fill up on a car of gasoline, the car's not gonna work properly. Like it doesn't make sense. Like nobody would buy a car and you can't fill it up because it's not gonna work properly. Right. So it doesn't make sense. I'm saying that the reason is,
I understand if that's what you think. If that's not making sense anymore, whatever I'm telling you, but I'm just providing.
Right. It just doesn't make sense.
So I do respect. Your vision on how phone works, but I'm just telling you the things that I have here that may cause the possible reason why sometimes or why all your phones are not working properly.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll tell you why all my phones are not working properly. The Bluetooth seems to come on by itself, and I called you guys at tech support, and you guys told me that the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and sync does not supposed to come on for any reason by itself. You yourself supposed to activate
it.
Right. So again, my picture started disappearing.